This is the test that President Trump took as part of his annual physical. The Montreal Cognitive Assessment Test is designed to screen for dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Here's how hard it really is. Basically, the test helps to identify early signs of cognitive decline. It takes about 10 minutes to administer, and it essentially asks patients to do things such as draw a clock, connect a logical sequence, copy a cube, name some animals, and read a list of digits forwards and backwards. It tests patients on things like memory, visual association, and abstraction. For people without any issues, it's a fairly straightforward exam. A perfect score is 30 out of 30, with a score of 26 or above considered as normal. This tests to see if older people are going into cognitive decline. It doesn't test for things such as anxiety, depression, or bipolar disorder. According to Trump's doctor, the president aced the test.
That cognitive test, it's well respected. It's a test that's used, throughout the United States. The fact that the president got, 30 out of 30 on that exam, I think that, there's no indication whatsoever that he has any cognitive issues.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.